In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to do mindfulness of breathing. Yes, you're gonna do meditation after this video, and I'm gonna teach you the right way to do it, because you can see like spread out of the internet the benefits of the meditation, and you saw like maybe you saw like videos, or you need to meditate at least 10 minutes to reap the benefits, or 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Some people, hardcore guys, they like meditate for 1 hour and they say you have to do it because it's going to be life changing, but they made it so hard with so many rituals that it's hard to follow. So I'm going to teach you the easiest way, the way I did when I started, and it's a way just based on science, okay? So you don't have to worry about it, okay? Because for me, I'm a Christian guy, so I only do the scientific part. I never do the religious part behind it, okay? So if you are with me, stay up until the end of this video, because the last tip I'm gonna give you on how to do the meditation is going to be like the game changer for your meditation life. And I hope that you can like implement. I'm pretty sure you're gonna implement after this video, right after you're gonna have your first meditation, and I'm really excited to do this video for you. So let's get started. First of all, you need to understand the meaning of the word meditation. The word of meditation just means that you're focused on something, okay? Instead of just focusing your thoughts created by your mind, okay? Your mind is a thought machine. Never trust your mind, because the mind is the only, or better, never trust your brain, because the brain is the only organ that named itself. So what you do is you use your conscious, a part of your brain, to control your awareness, okay? So you need to change from like just thinking automatically, oh, it's too hot today, oh, I hate that person, oh, I need to eat some hamburgers, so and so forth, and you change it to a place where you're complete present in the moment. When you do that, you connect, you can use the power of your cortex, prefrontal cortex, you use the power to connect to the rest of your brain, also your body, okay? So that's why I'm gonna teach you first what's the ideal like length of meditation for beginners, okay? Because you need to understand, imagine like you never like went to gym. You go to the gym and one day, and you feel this pump, you feel like you're incredible raw Hulk, you know, you're the guy, and then next day you feel like you got punched over 1,000 guys, just elephant stepped over you, you feel terrible, you feel awful. Why is that? Because you went too hard on the first day. So many people, even like people that know how to meditate, they don't follow through because it's so hard for them. So instead of starting meditating from 10 minutes per session, let's change it, shall we? Just meditate 2 minutes per session. And you say, but Roberto, man, I saw it like on Facebook groups and stuff like that. Okay, first of all, you need to understand that you're not a Facebook group. You're a unique person. You're special, you're valuable. So you need to tackle it on a new way. Not my way, but your way. Instead, and you say, but you're just, no. Please hold me, hold a second. Listen to me, okay? Instead of just meditating once a day, try to meditate 5 times a day. Why is that? Because every time you bring yourself to the present, you start training your mind to be on the present, so the effects can last longer. I know that like scientifically speaking, the way to meditate is at least 10 minutes, but bear with me on that, okay? If you just meditate 2 minutes 5 times a day, 10 times a day, you're gonna feel real good after the meditation, especially the meditation I'm gonna teach you. And then you start craving it, like a delicious food or a coffee after lunch to rejuvenate you. Sorry, my English is not perfect. I'm still learning, so please be patient with me. Be patient with me, okay? But like the point that I want to reach you is just take it easy, okay? 2 minutes, 5 times a day, or 10 times a day, and you can easily overcome 20 minutes a day. After that, I'm gonna do another video. If you're enjoying this video so far, if you want a guided meditation, like full 10 minutes, just comment down below. I'm here to serve you. So just comment and I'm gonna do the video, and based on your requirements, okay, your requests, okay? But let me teach you the easiest possible meditation technique you can use, okay? First of all, if you don't have, then again, like some people, like 5 times a day, 2 minutes, some people say, but Roberto, I cannot like close my eyes, I need to work. Okay, if you are not okay with closing your eyes, you don't have to close your eyes, but just look at the physical, like a fixed spot on the wall, on your computer, just a letter of a text. I don't care. Just focus on something, okay? So you can then start focusing within. Very subtle. You inhale. When you reach the limit, you inhale once again, like a double inhale, and release through your mouth. Then again, if you have someone else close to you, just do it like as discreet as you can. Don't have to no, just basic stuff, okay? Once again, deep inhale. When you reach the limit, try to inhale one more time, then exhale. Easy. After that, now is simple. Just try to feel your seat, the points that you're touching, like maybe with your feet, your back. Start paying attention to noises, maybe some coworker or some family member speaking something. Just pay attention to it without following it. We just want to be aware without judgment, okay? So if you hate that person's voice, just let it be. Then start feeling the smells you're feeling. Smells of food. Maybe the person close to you didn't take a bath today, so it's smelling probably a little bad. Don't worry about it. If you want to laugh, laugh. Laugh is a sign that you're present in the moment. You're not judging, you're just having fun. Being in the moment, basically being present, is having fun. So don't worry about it. Then, to finish the meditation practice, just say thank you. Thank you for this moment. Try to think of something that you received before the meditation start. Maybe someone just smiled at you. Maybe someone opened a door for you. Maybe you just received a good news. Or if you don't have any good news, just be thankful for your having a thumb, a belly, hair, even though it's not the hair you wanted, or a very big nose like mine. I didn't choose my nose. I wish I could have a better nose, but thank you for this nose. I can breathe with this nose. And that's it. End your meditation practice. Move on with your day. Accept again all the stuff that is happening. And if you want, feel free to give a comment down below. If you want more from me, just subscribe. And thank you very much. Okay. Anyways, I think I'm gonna give you a guided meditation right here, but this channel is just starting, so I don't know yet. If the meditation is on, just follow it. See you next time.